Hello class, welcome to Unit 7. In this unit, you'll be starting by completing an e-reader. You'll be doing Module 6 in this unit, so start by reading that, and if you would like, you can also download the PowerPoint slides that give you a simplified version of what is in that module, but not nearly to the detail you can see in the module. You'll then want to complete the quiz, which is based on the information in the unit that you just read. Upon completion of that, you'll want to do a discussion board post. As previous, this is a post for first forum, so you will want to put your posting in early so then you can see your fellow students' posts and be able to respond to their posts. As in previous discussion board posts, you'll need to do your post as well as respond to two other students' posts, and make sure that you cite at least 2 references that you've utilized in the creation of your post. You'll then want to work on Excel Module 3 Project A. This is another project where you will download a start file, which is a partially completed spreadsheet, and then you will follow the instruction file to make adjustments to that spreadsheet, and then upload the completed spreadsheet for grading. As previously, you can submit up to 3 times to get the best possible score.